Hello friends, today we will study the factors on which the contour interval depends. The very important factor is the nature of the ground. In flat and uniformly sloping country, the contour interval is small, but in broken and mountainous region, the contour interval should be large, otherwise the contours will come close to each other. The purpose and extent of the survey is the second factor. Contour interval is small if the area to be surveyed is small and the maps are required to be used for design work or for determining the quantities of earthwork, etc. While wider intervals shall have to be kept for large areas and comparatively less important works. The third important factor is the scale of the map. The contour interval should be in the inverse ratio to the scale of the map, for i.e., the smaller the scale, the greater is the contour interval. Time and expense of field and office work. The smaller the interval, the greater is the amount of field work and plotting work. There are so many factors on which the contour interval will be depending, and the selection of contour interval will be depending on these following things: nature of the ground, scale of the map, extent of the survey, and time and resources available. Common values of the contour interval. We can adopt certain values for certain purposes. The following values are contour interval adopted for various purposes. For large-scale maps of flat country, the building sites, for detailed design work and for calculation of quantities of earthwork, the value can be taken between 0.2 to 0.5 meter. For reservoirs and town planning schemes, the value of contour interval should be taken between 0.5 to 2 meter. For location of surveys, it can be taken 2 meter to 3 meter. For small-scale maps of broken country and general topographic work, the values can be taken between 3 meter, 5 meter, 10 meter or 25 meter. Thank you.